Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. We welcome you all to Nritya Sangeet's Bharatanatyam Arangetram of Srimati Archana Ravishankar, disciple of Srimati Soumya Kumaran.
Yasya vachikam sarvamayam aharyam chandrakaraadi tam vande satvikam shivam aharyam chandrakaraadi tam vande satvikam shivam.
చతురాననాదివందిత నీకు పరాకేలనయ్యా ఓ చతురాననాదివందిత నీకు పరాకేలనయ్యా ఓ చతురాననాదివందిత నీకు పరాకేలనయ్యా నీ చరితము పొగడలేని నా చిల్త తీర్చి వరములిచి వేగమే నీ చరితము పొగడలేని నా చిల్త తీర్చి వరములిచి వేగమే సా సనిద పదని సని నిద పమ పదమా మ పదని సనిద పమ నిద పమ గమ పద మగరి సమాగమ పద మ పదని సరి ని సదా తదని పదమ పదని సనిద పమ గమ నిదని పదమ పదని సమాగరి సరి సనిద పస నిద పమ గమ పదని బ్రోచేవారె వరురా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా వాతాత్మచార్చిత పాద నా మొరలను వినరాదా వాతాత్మచార్చిత పాద నా మొరలను వినరాదా ఆతురముగ కరిరాజును బ్రోచిన ఆతురముగ కరిరాజును బ్రోచిన వాసుదేవుడే నీవు కదా ఆతురముగ కరిరాజును బ్రోచిన వాసుదేవుడే నీవు కదా నా పాతకమెల్ల పోగొట్టి గట్టిగా నా చేయి బట్టి విడువక పాతకమెల్ల పోగొట్టి గట్టిగా నా చేయి బట్టి విడువక సనిద పదని సని నిద పమ పదమ గమ పదని సనిద పమ నిద పమ గమ పద మగరి సమాగమ పదమ పదని సని ని సదా దని పదమ పదని సనిద పమ గమ నిదని పదమ పదని సమాగరి సరి సనిద పస నిద పమ గమ పదని బ్రోచేవారె వరురా నిను వినా రఘువరా నీ చరణాంబుజములునే విడజాల కరుణాలవన బ్రోచేవారె వరురా
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. నమస్కారం. We welcome you all to Nritya Sangeet's Bharatanatyam Arangetram of Srimati Archana Ravishankar, disciple of Srimati Soumya Kumaran. My name is Bhavya Kumaran, and I will be your MC for today's recital. We graciously welcome and sincerely thank our chief guest, Srimati Vasavi Chakka, for being here today and blessing Archana Akka as she begins this journey. An Arangetram is the debut on-stage performance of a student in Bharatanatyam. This first performance follows years of training, and once a certain level is achieved, the student will perform an Arangetram. In the Tamil language, Aranga means stage, and Etram means ascend. So literally, ascend the stage for the first time. An Arangetram is no means a graduation from this lifelong art form, but the first milestone in a dancer's journey. That being said, I would now like to invite Archana Akka's siblings, Charu Villavan and Yashwant Ravishankar, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Vanakkam,
Namaste. I'm Charu Villavan.
and I'm Yashwant Ravishankar. With the celestial blessings of Ravishankar Rajagopalan and Sadasivan Duraisamy, on behalf of Archana and Sendil, we would like to extend a warm welcome to friends and family gathered today to witness Archana Ravishankar's Bharatanatyam Arangetram.
A very warm welcome to our chief guest, Srimati Vasavi Chakka, the founder and president of Arali Incorporation of Professional Consulting Services. Mrs. Vasavi Chakka strongly believes in giving back to the community. This inspiration was inherited from her parents and grandparents. She also serves on several boards in Naperville community. Mrs. Vasavi Chakka's father was her inspiration, and her grandfather did extensive work with Mahatma Gandhi, quite similar to our dancer Archana Ravishankar's grandfather, who was a freedom fighter. Archana Ravishankar's guru, Srimati Soumya Kumaran, a dancer, choreographer, and a teacher, is a founder and artistic director of Nritya Sangeet in Naperville, Illinois. A warm welcome to the Nritya Sangeet family.
Bharatanatyam, a classical Indian dance form, needs no introduction to this esteemed audience. Instead, I'd like to talk a little bit about Archana, my sister, and her lifelong passion for dance. Many of us here know that Archana is a profound dancer. If you don't, I suggest that you visit her Instagram account. Many of us have dreams we aspire to achieve, but often life's changing priorities cause those dreams to remain unfulfilled. My sister, however, is one of the fortunate few who'd be fulfilling her dream tonight, and I'd like to thank all of you for making that dream of her happen. For those who know Archana well, dancing is no easy feat. I recently danced at my company's summer event for just over 5 minutes, and I realized that the amount of energy and effort it takes for a merry 5 minutes dance. So when my sister told me that she would be dancing for several hours, I was stunned at the level of effort and commitment she's willing to put in for tonight's performance. So I urge everyone here to cheer her on and make this event as memorable as possible.
Not to mention a big welcome to Archana and Sendil's colleagues from Alhol Delays and Artemis ABA, and friends and family. This evening is a very proud moment for you as well. Your unwavering support and encouragement is truly key for Archana's motivation. Archana Ravishankar, who is a full-time working mom of 2 kids, who is, I have special instruction not to mention her age. As you watch Archana Ravishankar's solo performance, you will see not just her dance, but a culmination of dreams, sacrifices, and a labor of love.
Once again, we'd like to welcome all of you. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the brilliant performance that Archana has put together for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We begin today's program with a prayer.
अभिसंवृत शिवगण सुरगण महतानंद नटनम अभिसंवृत शिवगण सुरगण महतानंद नटनम मृदंगडमरुकरगध्रुवित ध्रुवित समचल चरणं मृदंगडमरुकरगध्रुवित ध्रुवित समचल चरणं करुणारसवर्षणमुखकमलं काकायनिरतफलनं करुणारसवर्षणमुखकमलं काकायनिरतफलनं नन्दकुमारलक्ष्मिवर प्रथमतिशयं पोदरविकटराजममलं ध्रुवित ध्रुवित समचल चरणं करुणारसवर्षणमुखकमलं कात्यायनिरतफलनं नन्दकुमारलक्ष्मिवर प्रथमतिशयं पोदरविकटराजममलं श्रीविनायकं
We begin today's recital with the Pushpanjali. This is a traditional invocatory item which emphasizes on nritta or pure dance in fast-paced rhythmic movements. Here, the dancers seek the blessings from the Lord, the Guru, and the audience. Presenting Pushpanjali in Ragam Kadyotkanti, set to Adi Talam.
Rita Jane Jane Kita Dhakadi Dhari 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 Jabita Jane Rita Jane Jane Kita Dhakadi Dhari 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 Dhaka Jane Rita Jane Jane Kita Dhakadi Dhari Dhari Dhaka Jane Rita Jane Jane Kita Dhakadi Dhari Dhari Dhaka Jane ஞான கொழுந்து
We now move on to Jatiswaram. The Jatiswaram is a pure nritta piece in a Bharatanatyam recital. It is executed to the tune of a combination of swaras or notes set to a particular raga or melody and tala or cycle of beats. The notes are woven in round melodic lines conforming to a particular raga or melody. The Jatiswaram brings out the inherent unity of music, rhythm, and movements. Today, we present the Jatiswaram in Ragam Rasikapriya set to Aditalam, a composition of Lalgudi Shri G. Jayaraman.
Sa ni ra pa da pa ma ga ma ga. Sa ni ra pa da pa ma ga ma ga. Si ga ma pa da ni sa ni ra pa da pa ma ga ma ga. Si ga ma pa da ni sa ni ra pa da pa ma ga ma
I'd like to take a moment and introduce the artistic director of Nritya Sangeet, Guru Srimati Saumya Kumaran. Srimati Saumya Kumaran is a multifaceted artist, seamlessly blending roles as a dancer, choreographer, singer, and teacher. Immersed in the classical arts from a young age, Srimati Saumya honed her skills under the tutelage of distinguished gurus and mentors, such as Srimati Jayalakshmi Arunachalam, the late Dr. Saraswati, and with a particular focus on Abhinaya under the esteemed Nritya Kalanidhi Srimati Braha Bessel. Srimati Saumya holds a Master of Fine Arts degree in Bharatanatyam. As an educator, she stresses both the practical and theoretical aspects of dance. Her students will attest that she is a demanding teacher and expects their absolute dedication to this art form. Srimati Saumya's choreographic prowess is celebrated for its complexity, seamlessly intertwining swift-paced nritta with nuanced and emotionally resonant abhinaya. Srimati Saumya received the late Dr. Saraswati Award from Vipanchi Natyalaya for her many contributions to the Indian performing arts. She is well-versed in Tirupugar and has been teaching the songs along with her sister as part of the Chicago Tirupugar Anbarkal since 1995. Born into a lineage steeped in the performing arts, Srimati Saumya is the daughter of the renowned Tamil stage artist, Sangeet Natak Academy Fellow, Kalai Mamani Katadi Shri S. Ramamurthy, embodying a legacy that continues to enrich and inspire the cultural landscape. Nattuvangam, Srimati Saumya Kumaran. We now continue to the main piece of a Bharatanatyam repertoire, the Varnam. The Varnam is the most enthralling, interesting, and challenging item. It creates an impression of beauty, grandeur, and complexity while depicting the changing modes of love for the hero, who is God. There is a perfect synchronization of bhavam, ragam, and talam, thus giving the artist an abundance of scope to display her rhythmic talents, along with a rich and variegated abhinaya. The Varnam is a highly structured dance involving an alteration of fast rhythmic movements, or jatis, with slow descriptive passages during which the dancer projects the meaning of the song. This particular Varnam is in praise of goddess Meenakshi, in all her forms and emotions. This Navarasa Varnam showcases the 9 different rasas, or emotions, through the goddess herself. The Varnam begins with Viram, showing the valor of Angayar Karni, the beautiful fish-shaped eyed Meenakshi, as a princess. Next comes the interpretation of Shringara, or love, when Parvati expresses her desire to wed Lord Shiva, followed by Adputam, or wonder, where Parvati is astonished as she witnessed Shiva reducing Manmata and the Tripuras to ashes. After this is the representation of Hasyam, or laughter, showing Parvati laughing at Shiva disguised as a laborer. In the second half, Bhibatsam, or disgust, is described by showing the disgust Devi Sati, or Dakshayani, had towards her arrogant father. Then followed by the other rasas, Raudram, or anger, which is depicted by the annihilation of the demon Bhandasuran by Mahakali. Bhayanakam, or fear, by illustrating the fear Parvati had for Shiva when he consumed the deadly halahalam, or poison, as well as when Ravana shook the very foundations of Mount Kailas. And Karunyam, or compassion, in the form of a mother, and in the form of Devi. The Varnam ends seeking Shantam, or peace, and praying for the peace in the world. Presenting Varnam, Angair Kanni in Ragamalika and Adi Talam, a composition of Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman.
அங்கய கண்ணி ஆனந்தம் கொண்டாளே அங்கய கண்ணி ஆனந்தம் கொண்டாளே திசையெங்கும் வெற்றிவாகை சூழ்ந்தாளே திசையெங்கும் வெற்றிவாகை சூழ்ந்தாளே திசையெங்கும் வென்று வெற்றி வாகை சூடினாய். ஆழி
கள்ளம் குத்தக்க தத்தீன் கிண்ணத்தும் தத்தரி தரி தத்தண்ணா தண்ணா ஜொன்னு ஜொன்னு தத்திமி திமி தத்தரி தத்தன தச்சொன்னு தத்தம் தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தத்தரி தரி தத்தண்ணா தண்ணா தச்சொன்னு ஜொன்னு தத்திமி திமி தத்தரி தத்தன தச்சொன்னு தத்திமி தம் தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தத்தரி தரி தத்தண்ணா தண்ணா தச்சொன்னு ஜொன்னு தத்திமி திமி தத்தரி தத்தன தச்சொன்னு தத்திமி தம் தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தத்தரி தரி தத்தண்ணா தண்ணா தச்சொன்னு ஜொன்னு தத்திமி திமி தத்தரி தத்தன தச்சொன்னு தத்திமி தம் தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தத்தரி தரி தத்தண்ணா தண்ணா தச்சொன்னு ஜொன்னு தத்திமி திமி தத்தரி ஜொன்னு தம் தரி தக்க ஜொன்னு தம் தரி தக்க ஜொ தங்கிட தக்க தரி கிட்ட தக்க திங்கிட தக்க தரி கிட்ட தக்க தங்கிட தக்க தரி கிட்ட திங்கிட தக்க தரி கிட்ட தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தக்கிட்ட கிருதம் தக்கிட்ட
sa ஏறித்தான் மாறனை காலால் பூதைத்தான் காலனை சிவபிரான் சிரித்தே மோப்புறம் போடி சென்று அற்புதம் கண்டு வியந்தான். ஏறித்தான் மாறனை காலால் பூதைத்தான் காலனை சிவபிரான் சிரித்தே மோப்புறம் போடி சென்று அற்புதம் கண்டு வியந்தான். மண் சுமந்து உலகோர் பிரம்படி பட வைத்த சிவனார். மண் சுமந்து உலகோர் பிரம்படி பட வைத்த சிவனார். விறகு கட்டோடு பாட உண்மை கை தொட்டு சிரித்தாள் வாய் தொட்டி நகைத்தாள். மண் சுமந்து உலகோ திறம்படி பட வைத்த சிவனார். விறகு கட்டோடு பாட உண்மை கையை தொட்டு சிரித்தாள் வாய் தொட்டி நகைத்தாள். ஏறித்தான் மாறனை காலால் பூதைத்தான் காலனை சிவபிரான் சிரித்தே மோப்புறம் போடி சென்று அற்புதம் கண்டு வியந்தான். மண் சுமந்து உலகோர் பிரம்படி பட வைத்த சிவனார். விறகு கட்டோடு பாட உண்மை கை தொட்டு சிரித்தாள் வாய் தொட்டி நகைத்தாள். தேனியை பொழிந்து அருள் பெறுவோம். தேனியை பொழிந்து அருள் பெறுவோம். தேனியை பொழிந்து அருள் பெறுவோம். தேனியை பொழிந்து அருள் பெறுவோம்.
தளக்கு தக்கு தக்கு தரிக்கிட தொம் தச்சம் தரிக்கிட தக்கச்சம் தரிக்கிட தா தித்தா அத தித்தா தச்சம் தரம் கெடி தக்கிட தக்கச்சம் தரிக்கிட தச்சம் தரிக்கிட தை தித்தை இத தித்தை இதச்சம் தரம் கெடி தக்கிட தச்சம் தரிக்கிட தரிக்கிட தக்க தக்கச்சம் தரிக்கிட தரிக்கிட தக்க தச்சம் தரிக்கிட தக்கச்சம் தரிக்கிட தத் தித்தா கிரதம் கிரதம் தக்க தத் தித்தா தக்கிட கிரதம் தக்க திக்க தத் தித்தா தக்க திக்க கிரதம் கிரதம்.
அருள் பெறுவோம். அருள் பெறுவோம். செரு கால் வெறு போற்றார் தாட்சாய பணிந்து அருள் பெறுமோ பதியை மறியாத தட்சணி செரு கால் வெறு போற்றார் தாட்சாய பணிந்து சாபரி நித பபதமரி கரி ரிஷி நித பபதனி சாபரி நித பபதமரி கரி ரிஷி நித பபதனி கரி சரவ கரி ரவரி நித மகரி கரி சரவ கரி ரவ அருள் பெருமான் அருள் பெருமான் தாய் போலே தரணி தந்தை செய்வாருங்கோ தாய் போலே தரணி தந்தை செய்வாருங்கோ அருள் போலே ஜெகங்காக்கும் தூய தீக்கும் எம்பொன்னையே அருள் போலே ஜெகங்காக்கும் தூய தீக்கும் எம்பொன்னையே அருள் பெருமான் அருள் பெருமான் தாய் போலே தரணி தந்தை செய்வாருங்கோ அருள் பாறையே ஜகங்காக்கும் தூய தீக்கும் யௌவன்னையே அருள் பெருமான் அருள் பெருமான் அருள் பெருமான் சர்வானந்தமய சக்ரவாசினி ஸ்ரீலலிதாம்பிகே சரணம் சரணமமா சர்வானந்தமய சக்ரவாசினி ஸ்ரீலலிதாம்பிகே சரணம் சரணமமா துதி
I'd like to take a moment and introduce some of the artists for today's program. On the vocal, Dr. Murali Parthasarathy. Dr. Murali Parthasarathy is a distinguished musician and vocalist with a profound dedication to the field of Indian classical music. He holds a PhD in vocal music from Annamalai University, Chidambaram, and has also earned a BA and a master's degree in Indian music from the University of Madras. Additionally, he has completed the teacher certificate examination. Yes, please clap for that. Additionally, he has completed the teacher certificate examination in Indian music conducted by the Music Academy Chennai through the Government of Tamil Nadu, focusing on pedagogy, theory, and practice of music. Dr. Murali Parthasarathy's passion for music began at an early age, and he trained under several eminent gurus, including late Shri Needamangalam V.V. Subramaniam, Srimati Padma Veera Raghavan, Manamadurai M. Nagalakshmi, Neveli R. Santanagopalan, and Hyderabad brothers D. Seshachari. His musical expertise extends to both Carnatic and Hindustani classical music, having also studied under late M. O. Srinivasan, Pandit Kedar Devdas, and Vidushi Srimati Meera Savur. Dr. Parthasarathy has an extensive performance record, particularly in the realm of Bharatanatyam, where he has collaborated with many leading exponents. His career spans over 25 years, during which he has performed in prestigious venues across India and internationally. His performances include not only Bharatanatyam accompaniment, but also solo concerts and music workshops. He is highly regarded for his contributions to the music community and has been recognized with several prestigious awards, including the KVK Memorial Prize, given to the best student in the college TTC, endowed by G.T. Shastri from late Sangeeta Kalanidhi Vidwan B. Rajam Iyer from Music Academy Chennai, the Best Vocal Artist for Dance Singer, awarded by VDS Arts Academy, Sangeeta Kala Vipanchi for outstanding and excellent service in the propagation of Indian classical music, and Nritya Sangeeta Ratna awarded by Sarasalaya. Dr. Parthasarathy also maintains an active presence online through his YouTube channel, Mupa Records, where he shares his music and various private albums. He has created a notable album dedicated to Lord Uppaliyappan, composed and tuned by his guru, the late Srimati Padma Veera Raghavan. Vocal, Dr. Murali Parthasarathy. On the mridangam, Shri Veda Krishna Ram. Shri V. Veda Krishna Ram hails from a distinguished family of musicians. His father, late Shri C. Venkateshan, was a Mridanga Vidwan, and his mother, Srimati Kasibai, was a Carnatic vocalist and harmonist. Shri Veda Krishna Ram began his musical journey under the guidance of his father and later trained in playing for Bharatanatyam under his uncle, the late Shri D. Bhaktavatsalam, who was a senior disciple of the legendary Shri Mangudi Durai Raj Iyer. Over the past 35 years, Shri Veda Krishna Ram has accompanied almost all senior dancers and gurus, including Yamini Krishnamurthy, the Dhananjayans, Srimati Sudharani Raghupati, Udupi Lakshmi Narayanan Sir, Revati Ramchandran, Priyadashni Govind, Sridhar and Anuradha, Meenakshi Srinivasan, and Lakshmi Ramswamy. His first international tour began in 1987 to Russia. Since then, he has traveled extensively, covering almost the entire globe. From 1992 to 2012, he served as the permanent Mridangam player for the Shakti School of LA, directed by Srimati Vijay Prakash. He has also had the honor of accompanying sitar maestro Pandit Ravi Shankar for the 50th year of Indian Independence Day at Carnegie Hall, New York. He has many awards and recognitions to his name, some being the Best Dance Accompanist Award by VDS Arts Academy, Jaya Kala Shironmani Award by Narshana Ghana Niket Vidyalaya, Krishna Gana Sabha Endowment Award, the Nadia Sangeeta Kala Bharati from Bharat Ulachar, the Gandharva Nipuna from Abhay, Mridanga Kala Award from Mahalakshmi Narendra, and the Sangeetnya Award from Shri and Srimati Dhananjayans of Bharata Kalanjali. Mridangam, Shri Veda Krishna Ram. We now have a very special presentation of sloka recitation by a number of kids. I'll read their names shortly. Bihan, Kiara, Nason, Abira, Shanya, Adnaira, Ankita, Sahana, Divyana, Sahira, Krisha, Isabella, Esmeralda, Arya, Siddharth, Shriram, Rushal, and Harshita. Please welcome these kids and their slokam recitation.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaeshu Sarvada Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaeshu Sarvada. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्.
We now present the Padam, Tervil Varano. Here the composer says, will he not walk through the streets? Will he not throw a glance at me? The Lord, Natana Raja, who burnt Kama and Tripura, will he not stand in front of my threshold? Will he not utter a word? Will I not blossom with love? Will I not win over the Lord of shackles? The Desika, the dancing Lord of the hall, the Lord of the lords, the Lord of Chidambaram, will he not walk through the street? Time stands still, and no messenger I am endowed with to present my state. I was unaware of this pitiable condition. I'm faultless. The dancing Lord is praised by Brahma, Vishnu, and the 3,000 saints and celestials. So, will he not walk through the streets? Will he not throw a glance at me? Tervil Varano in Ragam Kamas and Aditalam, a composition of Sri Muttu Tandavar.
தெருவில் வாரானோ தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்றே திரும்பி பாரானோ நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்றே திரும்பி பாரானோ முன்னில்லாரோ எனக்கொரு வாசகம் சொல்லாரோ வாசல் முன்னில்லாரோ எனக்கொரு வாசகம் சொல்லாரோ வாசல் முன்னில்லாரோ எனக்கொரு வாசகம் சொல்லாரோ வாசல் முன்னில்லாரோ எனக்கொரு வாசகம் சொல்லாரோ நேசமாய் புல்லேனோ கடை வைத்த ராஜனேனோ நேசமாய் புல்லேனோ கடை வைத்த ராஜனேனோ தேசிகனோ பலவாழனோ பூரி தேவாதி தேவன் சிதம்பரநாதன் தேசிகனோ பலவாழனோ பூரி தேவாதி தேவன் சிதம்பரநாதன் தேவில் வாராமோ நின்னை சற்றே திரும்பி பாராமோ நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாராமோ திரும்பி பாரோ